Alright, welcome back to Grandmaster Crypto, and let's just get right into the news and see what's going on in the crypto world. Let's see here, let me just refresh this real quick. And it looks like the market cap is at 399,374,466,957. So we lost about $30 billion between yesterday and today. Let's see, just a little bit of a pullback. Let's go over here to our biggest gainers. In the last 24 hours, it looks like this Minix. I have to look into that. I'm not familiar with that one. Storm, Disturb, Tron, and Steem are going to be our top 5 gainers in the last 24 hours. And then let's look at the top 5 losses. KuCoin shares. Something must be going on. And then Ravane, Populous, Wax, and Elf, it looks like. Those were our top 5 losers as far as the 24-hour period goes. And let's take a look at the news over here. It says looks like Nasdaq is open to becoming cryptocurrency exchange, a cryptocurrency exchange. And currently the Winklevoss twins have hired Nasdaq to oversee the fraudsters in the crypto as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum goes. So it just this news, it just seems like it's a no-brainer, right? With the way cryptocurrency is going and with the masses getting on board, there's just going to be no choice but to jump on board. And it looks like Nasdaq is going to be doing that. It's going to take a while for them. They usually move pretty slow, but it's definitely, in the right direction, right? And then let's take a look over here. According to this one, it says that 82% of institutional crypto investors believe Bitcoin price has bottomed out. So we're looking at about 9,000 right now. Definitely, last year it went up to 20. So this year, who knows where it's going to go, right? It went up from 1,000 to 20,000. So if it does that this year, it's going to be great, right? We're looking at a lot of money coming in if you have that Bitcoin. And let's see here, some more good news over here. This currency in India, ZebPay, is it? They're starting to accept direct cryptocurrency trades. So right now you can do Ethereum to Bitcoin directly, which is pretty cool, right? And that way you don't have to rely on the Forex, right? You don't have to rely on the dollars or the euros and whatever else it is that your country uses, right, for payment. So that's a good step, definitely. And then let's get into our main story from the thumbnail. As you saw, it says over here, Bitcoin ATM black market regulatory blind spot allows crypto traders to subvert KYC requirements. And it's saying that basically there's old ATMs out there that are Bitcoin ATMs, and they don't follow through with this KYC requirements. They don't have to, because the ATMs are already up. And basically the new requirements, what they do is they make you scan your ID and your passport and everything like that. So it's keeps a record of who's purchasing the Bitcoins. But the older Bitcoin machines, since they were up before this regulation, at least in the United States, you can get around it. You don't have to scan in your password or your passport or your ID, your license, right? So, and then it looks like it says here in the US economy, there's about 3 main companies that have the market share as far as Bitcoin ATMs go in the United States. And let's take a look at those. There's Genesis Coin, General Bytes, and I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Lamasu. But anyway, here you go. Here's this Lamasu, and look at this. Here's some Bitcoin ATMs. This one actually looks like it's going to take Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, and more. Nice. And look at that. Guess you have a couple of options there. Let's see what the pricing is. Does it say any prices on these? Maybe you have to sign up to get a price. Usually it has the price on here. Take a look at the specs. Pretty nice website. Gets the point. Okay, here we go. All right, so it looks like this one, the small one is 6,000, and this one plus the Santo Taurus. That looks like some kind of dispenser, possibly. The bottom over there. So it's a two-way. A lot of the machines, the ATM, Bitcoin ATMs, they're just one-way transactions, which means you can just purchase the Bitcoin. But following through with a two-way, it looks like some of these might be two-way, which basically means you can pull out money, so you can cash out your Bitcoin and get Forex, right? Get cash, get dollars, get euros, whatever it is. Here's the other company, General Bytes, and these guys have some nice ATMs over here too. Look at that. You just go to the details. Look at this right here. And the last company, which was the Genesis coin, it looks like they have a couple too. Here's their pricing. But you know, there's more and more Bitcoin ATMs, I guess, coming in to the United States. So that is also going to raise, right, some interest, and it is going to show, expose people to Bitcoin and to cryptocurrency. And I have a friend, and his buddy has a couple of, or actually I should say quite a few Bitcoin ATM machines. And I guess the way it works for him, what he does, how he does it, is it goes by just the transaction fee. So people buy the Bitcoin and they get charged the fee, kind of like an ATM. It's, well, actually, yeah, it is a Bitcoin ATM, right? So it's almost the exact same thing. So where you go and pull money out of your bank, you get charged a fee, right? A $2, whatever it is, $2.50. And that fee goes towards the ATM. Whoever owns the ATM, they get that fee. It doesn't touch any of your bank money. It's just an additional fee. But I guess that's how the Bitcoin ATM works also. It's the same thing. You just have, you have the Bitcoin, people purchase it, but then they get charged a fee to purchase the Bitcoin, and that's how they make their money on the Bitcoin ATM. So it's literally the same process. And he's doing really well. This guy's a multi-millionaire, so he is doing really well, and the demand is there, and he just keeps adding more and more Bitcoin ATM. So this could be definitely an opportunity. Whoever's listening, if you have some money, if you just whatever, like you just went and you just killed it on Tron over here or something like that, whatever is going on, even just in the last week, right? Everything is up by, I think, quite a significant amount if you look at, and but if you have that extra money, perhaps you can look into this as an investment, And Bitcoin's it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to be more and more. It's going to get more and more in demand, especially this year. It's going to definitely be a record year. So anyway, well, that was the news. That's what I want to bring to you. That was the story. I'm going to get more details about him. We're trying to talk to him, and it's kind of secretive about it. I understand, but get more details and see what's going on. And you guys check out these companies, check out these ATMs. See what's up. And just keep that in mind. And that is going to do it for this episode of Grandmaster Crypto. And we will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one.